Kun je uitleggen wat we hebben gekocht in het Engels?
Wat was dat weer?
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
We just took the Budapest tram for the first time with our brand new monthly passes. It was pretty easy. You don't actually touch on or touch off. You just hop on, and I guess if someone asks you, then you show the tickets.
So we just actually Budapest tram journey.
You've been waiting to say that. So we made the tour, but have a look at how many people there are.
Now, let me introduce ourselves. So we will be your tour guides today. And ladies first.
That was interesting. That was the biggest walking tour group I have ever seen. In our group alone, there were about 40 people. There were 7 other tour guides, including one in Spanish. That was way too big for us. We couldn't hear our tour guide. I don't think it was her fault. It's just there's way too many people, and we don't think that that's fun. So I think we're just going to wander around on our own and see what we see. The goulash is really good. I think it was actually better than the one yesterday. This one was a lot thinner. I think that's what goulash is supposed to be like, whereas the other one is more of a stew. We just got langos again. Langos is the dish that I tried before at the food truck park, but that was like the classic one. This one is called Honey's Favorite, and it looks like it has walnuts, honey, and icing sugar. Good. That was by far the best thing I've had in Hungary yet. I don't even know why you would try the classical langos when you can have something like that.
It's one of the very few desserts I've had that I would say that neither cream or ice cream would improve it. It was that good.
Apparently what we were seeing of the St. Peter's Basilica was just the back of it. This is the front.
Just checking that my wife isn't actually burning up. So, nothing.
You have that mysteries. I know that.
I didn't say anything. Gotta go now, bye.
I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes. Tables turn in your own. We just took the elevator up to the panorama tower of the St. Stephen's Basilica. It's got a great 360-degree view of Budapest.
we've just been to the St. Peter's Basilica. First, the Basilica itself. It's a coin donation to get in. I don't know. I just don't like when people say it's a donation when it's not. It's a fee, which is totally fine. Just be honest about it.
Be upfront about it.
Yeah.
The other thing was that I didn't like, and I saw the same in Notre Dame in Paris. You go inside and there are all little areas to put coins in for candles, to see artifacts. They had the little coin press as well. Everything is pay. It's a church.
And then we went to the panoramic tower.
They're selling the tickets to go upstairs, and that stops at 4:30. But we went there 10 minutes, and the lady's running around saying, out, shaking her little hands, out.
Yeah.
It's over. And we're like, well, then maybe you should stop selling it at 4 o'clock, not at 4:30, if you want people gone by 5. I thought it was poorly organised. It is worth doing, but just take our advice.
Go earlier.
Yeah.
For sure. Closes at 4:30, but you should really get there like maybe by 3 to be safe.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe to join us in our travels.
Also, check out our Lucky Dippers podcast.